So I just arrived at Newark Airport, and here comes 2012. Passengers got out of the airplane and they went to watch the television first. So I could go to New York City. It's just a 30-minute bus ride away. Here am I at Newark. I can see off in the distance the fireworks going off in New York City. It's pretty much the best view I can see from right here. And there goes the airplane. There's the Empire State Building. Well, we just landed in Hamburg, Germany. It's around 7:15 right now. Still pretty dark. Sunrise isn't until around 8:37 since it's January 2nd, 2012. Copenhagen at 3:15. Alright, here's Sina lands. SAS from Copenhagen. Well, it's good timing for me to get here on time, and it looks like it's a CRJ. Okay, hello Sina.
Hello.
So,
Jason, welcome to Germany.
Yeah, thanks so much. So, Hamburg, Germany. So what happened now? You didn't come out of Terminal 2?
Yes, I come out from other side and just waiting for you.
Oh, okay. So you didn't wait a long time, that's good. I saw your plane land.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Let's go.
We have to go
To the S-Bahn.
Yes.
Okay, good. Alright, did you figure it out? You figured it out?
No.
No? Okay, so what do you think about the hostel?
Really nice, comfortable.
Yeah?
Yes, and it seems that it's empty and it's private one.
Yeah, and which one did you choose?
I choose that one.
Why? Why? Because it's in the room, right?
Yes, because it has a door and it becomes a private room.
Oh, okay, good.
Yeah.
Is it your first time in a hostel?
Yes, it's my first time.
Okay, so luckily it's nice.
Yes.
Yeah,
For 1 night is okay.
for one night.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not more than that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Take a look at it.
Okay, thank you. You said to me. What is this?
It's a joke.
I think it's something in it. Some mosquitoes.
Mosquito?
Yes. Is it okay?
Yeah, you can. You just wind it up.
I'm scared.
You're scared?
Yes.
Well, excuse me. Okay.
I can do it for you.
You can?
Yes.
Okay, what do we get?
We are in campus site after visiting some places in Hamburg, and now we want to continue our tour with some of our friends in Hamburg.
In about half hour. Yeah. So we're halfway through our tour, and it's a little rainy out there and windy, but it's not too bad. So now we're just taking a little break, having lunch here, and then we'll continue with more interesting adventures in Hamburg. So Sina is the only one that wears the brightest colored coats. So typical weather.
Yes, windy and raining.
Yeah. So it looks like they're restoring this, huh?
Sports stuff every single year, and that's basically the true birth of the harbor itself. And you have kind of a parade of ships that go through the Slackenstadt. Those are all the original buildings. And there was Vikings in the area, so it wasn't a new concept to be sailing around and kind of stealing and pillaging from different towns. Now, how did pirates actually come about? Well, pirates technically used to be fishermen, and they were from parts of the different Hanseatic leagues in different towns. Now, what happened was the Queen of Denmark was basically trying to take all the shipping business for herself. And so she tried to push the German ships out and started to attack them. Somewhere over there. So then he tripped and he fell, and then he couldn't save anybody else. So you never know, he might have been able to save them all. So because of that, everybody in Hamburg now celebrates him. He's a hero. Yeah, he used to be a thief, but anyone that would put on that kind of show and put himself out there for his men can't be such a bad guy. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Thank you so much. Good luck with school. Thank you. Oh, sure. Thank you. All right. Take care. Happy New Year. Cheers. Thank you. All right. Give me 1 second. I'll say bye to everyone. We get to that house.
So hi, now this is my room in Kiel, and this is our end of our journey from Hamburg to Kiel, and you continue your journey in Kiel.
Yeah.
And I hope you the best things here.
All right, great. So we had a long day, but it was rainy and windy, but we still enjoyed it, right?
No, we enjoy it, but it's windy and rainy, really.
Yeah.
It's a bad weather, but we enjoy it.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Really interesting.
Откуда нам знать, что наши решения на самом деле являются нашими собственными? Можем ли рассчитывать на то, что даже слабый голос будет услышан, а не затравлен в тишине? Я могу вам сказать, как.
Right here.
Существует личность, которой мы благодарны за все это. Мы можем поблагодарить эту личность за предоставленные нам новые перспективы. Мы можем поблагодарить эту личность за предоставленную нам возможность выбора. Эта личность дает нам альтернативу единообразию и краткосрочному мышлению.
Thank you.
Мы обязаны этой личности за превращение обычного дня в нечто особенное. В день, когда мы поднимаемся с дивана у телевизора, говоря, я сам изменил мое мнение.
Come on!
Лишь одно слово достойно величать
Even in her wallet.
героя.
No! He's crying! Awesome! Come on!
Everyone's excited. Even in the space shuttle.
Good!
That's a good one, yeah?
Of course! How you can do it? How? Tell me!
Alright, so today is our first day in Kiel. The weather is slightly better, but a little windy. Not too bad. I like what you said yesterday about the Germans. Explain that.
About Germans, most of the time when you ask them, can you speak English or do you speak English, they say, oh, a little bit. And most of the time they cannot speak English. We have to try to speak English every time. Now, today you can experience these things.
Yeah, when I go to the city center. So now where are we going?
We're going to Maritime Hotel. I want to ask some question from the reception.
Alright. Hopefully you have some luck.
همیشه میگفتم میخوام بیام خارج دیگه. خب میرم اونجا درسم میخونم، فوق لیسانس هم میگیرم. ها چون الان مثلا میگم دیگه من همش با اون روزم با مرجان و امیر صحبت کردم، گفتم به من میگفت ساینا ببین دنبال چی؟ حالا من کاری ندارم ولی اشتباه ما رو نکن.
Back in October 13th, I went to visit Nick in Greensboro, North Carolina, and I found this card at one of the stores and I wrote a letter. Then I emailed Sina to get her address, but in the meantime she was getting prepared to go to Germany, so I couldn't mail it to her yet, and plus she didn't know her address. So October 13, November 13, December 13, now it's almost January 13, only 10 days to go. So 3 months, and then instead of mailing it, I'm hand delivering it. Alright, so here you go.
Okay, thank you. Can I open it?
Yeah, open it.
Okay, how beautiful. Thank you. Where is here?
It's just a generic landscape in the United States. Probably the Rocky Mountains.
Oh.
Now you have to read it.
Okay, sign up.
It's not too small for you?
No, it's... I try to read it.
Oh, okay.
October 13, 2011. I am visiting my friend today and told him about your country. Don't ask me where the photo is on the front of this card. At first I ask you.
Try it.
Hui.
Does it work?
No.
Well, the weather hasn't been too nice around here, raining and windy, but it's light rain, so it's not too bad. Weather temperature is around 8 degrees, so not as cold, but it's I'm well equipped, so it's okay. I knew to expect it, so I'm just headed back for my last day in Kiel. Well, today it's a nice day, but it's Friday, so the good weather came too late. Here's the Rathaus. I got here to Amsterdam and I'm gonna check it out for a few hours during the night. I think this is the hotel where I stayed at in 2006.